Hello everyone and welcome to Talk Help Guy. Today I'll be teaching you how to remove unwanted or unused cells on your spreadsheet file. So very quickly, let's just go to our spreadsheet file. So currently this is the file that we will be working with. So as you can see here, I have already typed in some words for us to use as basis. So here, right now, if you notice in column A, I have written here topics. And in these topics, we have politics, we have history, East Asia, South America, geopolitics, and introduction to the modern world. And as you notice, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 gaps. These are the gaps that we want to remove. Now, if you want to remove them manually, just simply right click on the cell and then select delete row. However, if there are a lot of items here, that would be tiresome. So what we want to do to delete it all in one blow is we want to select all of these cells and then go to data and then select create a filter. Once you create a filter, go to the 3 lines and then just simply remove the topics that you don't want to see and leave the blanks unchecked. So currently, these are the 5 gaps that we have noticed earlier. And to delete them, just simply select these cells, right-click, and select Delete Selected Rows. Now those rows are deleted, and we can bring back the topics that we have selected earlier again. And now the topics are back, and the gaps are no longer there. We hope this video was able to help you out, and if you liked it, please do hit the like and the subscribe button, and we'll see you again on the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.